It's time to create a budget that creates your freedom, not restriction. This is done brick by brick.
This is the introduction episode to our brick by brick budgeting series, showing you zero-based budget methods and best practices that I've actually used to create a debt-free, calm life with my investments on autopilot. If you follow along with this series, you will see where every dollar goes and learn how to take your current income and make it work far harder for you than anyone else. Why work so hard for your money and not get to keep any of it? It's time to pay yourself first. I'm here to bring budgeting to life and explain the how-to with this because most people think this is horribly boring, hard to do, or that they just don't need to do this step because they can somehow feel where their money is going. I've heard everything from, I don't know all my bills, to writing it down won't help because things change. Yes, things do change. Yes, unexpected expenses come up. And yes, it may be difficult at first to find areas to cut back or even begin thinking about saving when things are already so tight. As we discussed earlier, budgeting as an exercise or idea seems to most people as limiting or restricting. See, that's where I disagree. Having complete control over what your money is doing brings a level of confidence that is necessary to succeed. So many programs and articles say it in different ways, such as give every dollar a job, let your money work harder for you, control your money, don't let it control you. But the idea is always the same. You need to have complete control over your money. Think about it. In any other discipline or field, you want to have all the tools and expertise needed to execute to the best of your ability. It is the same and arguably more important with your money. A concert pianist doesn't just feel how to learn a piece by Beethoven. A baseball player doesn't just automatically feel a perfect swing. And a chef doesn't just feel how her menu should be. The pianist practices scales and theory for decades in order to be equipped to play such difficult music. The baseball player practices by hitting thousands of live pitches in practice before facing off against a true 90-mile-an-hour fastball in a real game. The chef spends years mastering recipe execution and costing out menus, otherwise they go out of business. What I'm getting at is this process takes practice and effort. Effort that literally pays off if you are willing to give it some of your time. Going through your month without a financial roadmap or plan is chaotic and dangerous to your financial health. It is basic human nature to want to spend all of the money we make on fun things and things that bring us pleasure. The problem is that without a good plan, you are leaving everything to chance, and chances are you're just going to overspend and not put nearly enough money toward your future to protect you in the long run. Why? Because you can't experience the future, and buying things now is a lot more fun. I want to teach you how to create a plan that allows for the fun you enjoy most in life, while also creating a secure and rich future for yourself. And I want to show you how to do all of this automatically. In the previous series, we did a deep dive into the world of insurance and the different policies you need in order to protect everything from your health to your pets. I start the daily dedication with insurance needs because you are now protected from the things that can cause bankruptcy the fastest. The second step in the daily dedication is something I call brick by brick, creating your budget or financial planning roadmap. If budget is too boring of a word or creates images of actually having to work at something, use a different word or phrase like not wasting all my money, or success blueprint, or the handy dandy notebook. Anything you want to call it doesn't matter. What does matter is that you make one and you use it. There are countless apps, spreadsheets, and books that offer budgeting help or categories you need to track. I have taken everything I've ever seen over 2 decades and compiled them into my own spreadsheet that you can download and use immediately. The link is down in the description. Download it for free and fill it out to see your full picture in minutes. The difference between my dedication and other programs is that we will actually walk you through how to do your own budget. I mean it. I'm going to give you an entire walkthrough, step by step, brick by brick. Right now, I just want you to understand that you can do this. And once it's done, you will realize just how capable you are, and better yet, just how much control you can gain over your life through this small amount of financial education. Remember, there is no judgment here, no stress, just guidance and support. That's what I'm all about, and I want to help you succeed because it makes me happy to do so. Helping people get out of debt, take control of their money with a real plan, and get on the right track to a healthy financial life full of promise are my life goals. It is what I was meant to do, and I'm happy to help you do this, answering any questions along the way. Let's do this together, and I can't wait to see you use these tools and systems to create a better life immediately. Use this intro video as motivation to get started. In the next few videos, we are going to dive in together and actually go through your entire budget, category by category, brick by brick. Stick with me. Download my free budget spreadsheet and work through each of these videos to gain complete control.